Hello everyone, this is Desy, and in this video I'm going to talk about the printing features that WebPST has. So let's say we need to print the affidavit and invoice for a job. So one option we have is going into the job. We will click the printer icon right here for the one that has the actual service information. And then here I'll just check QR copy for invoice. If I want to attach it to the job, I will keep this selected. For this example, I do not want to reattach it. I'll hit accept. And you see how my printer up here gives me a number of 2 because I just sent 2 items to my print queue. Now, if you selected to attach the affidavit and invoice, it would appear down here under attachments. And as you can see, I have done so already in the past. So here's my invoice, here's my affidavit. Now, all I have to do is just click on the printer and I'm going to click on print my queue. Now the entire queue is everyone's queue together. So although here it shows the same amount of items because it's just my database, nobody else touches it. In real life situation where you have an office with many people, it may be that your print queue has 10 items, but then the entire queue has like 50 items. So you do not want to do this and then potentially print someone else's work. So we're just gonna print here. And here you see I have my affidavit and I have my invoice. And then all I can do is hit print. Or if I want to save that as a PDF for whatever reason, there's a neat feature where you can just select the destination and just do save as a PDF. Just a quick tip. But let's go ahead and print this. And now this is being sent to my printer. Now another option where you can print the affidavit and invoice without having to go into the job is by selecting the job. You go to print here and we go affidavit. Here's the affidavit. And then you can go invoice. And then this way you are not needing to go inside the job itself. Now the cool feature about this is that you may print multiple affidavits and multiple invoices for jobs. So let's pull up my closed jobs. So let's say I go ahead and click several here. I can go print. Go affidavits, and now you see affidavits for the 4 jobs that I selected. Same things for invoices or field sheets if I need to reprint them. Here you go. Here are my invoices and field sheets or anything really in that list. Here's my field sheets. Pretty cool. You can also click on the printer and do add selected items to affidavit. So now I selected a bunch, sent it to the queue. Now I want to send the invoices. Now I have 8. I print my queue. I process my print queue. And here's all my affidavits and invoices for those same 4 jobs that I have selected. You may also print rows here. So if I go on print, I can do current page. These are all the results of my database right here. I can select rows and do print selected rows. I can also export the data. So if I hit export here, I can export all the data, so meaning all of my results. Hit save, and as you can see, it's now downloading. Or I can export just my selected rows. Export selected rows. And save. So this is pretty much it about printing. As always, if you guys have any questions, just give us a call. We're here to help in any way we can. Thank you.